Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Montasia Stevens. On here is the Tasia to Leak. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment after you watch this video. Of course, you don't just gotta like it because you know I said like it. You can wait till you actually like it if you do like it. Okay. But today I did collaborate with Luvmehair. Let me just get the box. I did collaborate with Luvmehair on this wig, and I'm going to show you guys. There's two ways you can wear it. You can wear it with it afro puffed out, like brushed out. That's my preferred look. Or you can do like the wet look and have it like, what is this? Defined curls. It's not really my style for short hair, but if you are into that, this is what it's really giving. Like, and it is actually pretty cute. If you do like the afro look, just stay tuned. You can see if you will like it on this wig, because I do puff it out because that's just what I like. That's how I like curly hair. But if you guys are interested, please keep watching.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
I first want to say thank you to Luvmehair for collaborating with me today on this video and sending me this wig. So it did come in this pretty little box, and then it says enjoy your hair journey from now on. As you can see at the top, we have the wig that they sent, and then we have this small little pouch that includes a head wrap to where you can tie your hair up at night, a toothbrush, and you know, you never have too many toothbrushes, and then this little card holder to where I'm guessing you can put your cards in if you want to add it to your wallet. And then, yeah, so that's what's in the box. And then here, of course, is the wig. It came in this net, and then, of course, it had this little white paper inside to, you know, keep the shape. So it does come with a headband type strap to where, you know, to secure the wig. It does include combs as well, so it's very much secure. All right, so let's get started. I just put on a stocking cap. This actually came in the box, so you can just use their stocking cap. And this is the wig. It's bouncy, you know. We're gonna have to make something shake with it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on. Put my hair on there. Ooh. I know right now it's giving Rick James, but we're gonna trust the process. It is a little snug on my fat head. Let me make sure. Okay. It don't look too bad, but I don't really like the defined look, so I'm gonna brush it out. Because that's just my thing. As you can see, like, I have never brushed it since I got it, and baby, this brush is just going through. So it's definitely not nappy. Or let me not say nappy. It's not getting tangled. I like the cut, like, you know, it's giving that diva cut. Anyways. It's blocking my view. It's giving. It's giving. Okay, she cute. She cute. But I will wet it for the girls who do like the wet look. I think she cute. Ooh, let me not do that, because baby, there's no lace, so don't lift it up now. Don't lift it up. Don't lift it up. Okay, let me just make the bangs how I would like it. Like, you really don't have to do nothing. Like, I didn't even have to cut it. I do have a big head, so you may have to cut it if it like go on your eyes and stuff, but me, I don't. I just feel like it's too much of a bang. I don't really want it to give a Rick James, okay? like just a little fringe or something. And then it's cute. I would recommend doing this while your makeup is done, because if you don't, it may give a different vibe. It's gonna give a different vibe and you may not like it. I feel like makeup make every hairstyle just look 10 times better. Okay, so I'm not feeling the bang. I'm trying to get the bang to do what I want it to do. Okay, this might give too much of a Rick James vibe. See if I can brush it. I don't know if y'all can hear my daughter in the background. It's really a cute wig. I definitely would recommend this wig. What y'all think? Do I have it? Is it? Oh. I'm trying to figure out like what I'm not feeling. I think it's just too much of a bang for me. Like it's like a really thick, but you don't want it to look wiggy. This better? This is cute. This is cute. And this usually is not even like my vibe. Like I have gotten out of my curly hair phase, like short curly hair, because it just reminds me of my natural curly hair, and I'm like over that right now. But this is cute. I like this. It's giving fall. Okay, let me wet it for the girls who do like wet look. So give me a second. I'm gonna get my spray bottle and then we're gonna wet it, see if we like that too. Okay, one moment. Okay, so I got my spray bottle. Now we're gonna wet it for my Define girls. It's not usually my style for curly. Like I like long curly Define hair, but short, I feel like it looks too flat for me. Make sure I get the ends for y'all. This is definitely like a shake and go type wig. Like you just throw it on and you be good. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. My mama want this wig right now. So that's why I'm filming this video. I just got this wig today and I'm filming. I'll never do that. If you know me, you know I'm lazy, baby. Lazy. And today's a Sunday and baby trying to throw this wig on Monday. Okay. Oh, I may be laughing, but y'all, I'm dead serious. I'm just trying not to mess up my makeup with this damn water. Okay. Ooh, I think I am. This is definitely on my forehead. Okay, so this is the wet look. It's cute too. It's giving curly bob. I like this. I like this. Let me stop. This is very cute. I don't know how the back looks, so if it don't look cute, sorry. But yes, this is the front. This is it curly. Which one y'all like? Y'all like the curly or do y'all like the puffed out, you know, afro type look? I personally like the afro look. I think this is cute. It's just not my vibe. It's not my vibe. But this is the final look. It's just literally the video. Like, this was really a wig you can just put on and go. Like, if you want it wet, wet it up. If you want to brush it out, baby. That take nothing but 3 minutes. So okay, so I definitely recommend this wig. I will link it down in the description, so if you would like to purchase it, go ahead and click that link.